Hi you guys, I'm back with another video and I'll be using the Morphe 35B for my eye look. For my primer, I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It's the primer plus the moisturizer, and this is the first time that I've ever used this. You already know I'm using the Maybelline Master Camo for my concealer. I realized while I was putting my concealer on that I had some hair above my lips, so I'm using my Finishing Touch Flawless Facial Hair Removal to get the hair off my face. And I have a video up about this hair removal system, so if you would like to watch that, I'll leave that in the description bar. To conceal my eyes, I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base, and it was my first time using it, and I'm not really sure if I used it right, but I don't really like it. I'm going to start off by doing my eyeshadow look. I really just wanted to do a colorful, fun look because I normally use kind of subtle, natural eyeshadows on all of my looks, so I just wanted to do something different on this video. To cut my crease, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the number 35. With that concealer, I'm using my CoverGirl loose powder in the number 115 translucent medium. I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner to do my wing. So for my eyebrows, I did use two different pencils. The first pencil that I'm going to use is the MAC eyebrow pencil in the color Spike, so just to line my eyebrow. And the second pencil that I'm using, I'm not really sure what the name of it is because my mom got it from a nail salon, but it's a really small thin pencil, and I really do like it because you can make it look like it's real hair strokes, and it looks very natural. Let's take my spoolie and just brush out the front of my eyebrow to make it look natural. For my foundation, I'm using my sample of the Lancome in the number 470. Blend in my foundation, I'm using my Sigma round kabuki brush, and it's in the number F82. I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Rich Tan under my eyes and on my nose and above my lip and on my forehead. To blend out that concealer, I'm using my Real Techniques brush. It's the Expert Face Brush. To set the concealer, I'm still using that same CoverGirl loose powder that I used previously. Contour, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark. To highlight, I'm using the new ColourPop in Nude Indo highlighter palette, and I'm mixing the two colors on the loose in Morning After. And this is a really pretty palette. I really like it. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline's Total Temptation. To line my lips, I'm using the LA Girl lip liner in the color Dark Purple. To set my makeup, I'm using the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And for my lips, I'm using the NYX Lip Tease, and it's in the color Fiesta. Alright you guys, so this is my finished look, and I will see you in the next one.